One of my followers, Richard B., sent a question asking about how to get rid of a turkey neck. Now, he is a he, but it really doesn't matter if we're talking about men or women. The turkey neck, if you haven't heard the term before, and I can't imagine you haven't heard it before, is a little bit of stuff hanging in the base, kind of like the gobbler of a turkey. Usually it's referring to some loose skin, maybe a little bit of fat that we get typically with aging, and sometimes it gets worsened by weight loss. So just having that junk hanging down under your chin. There is the best way to get rid of it, which is surgery. That's the most advanced. When you look in a mirror and you kind of drag things up and make it tight, that's what a neck lift or a facelift would do. Now, not everybody wants to have surgery, so there are ways to get rid of these turkey necks without having to have a big operation. The best way in my practice is doing a combination of procedures that we're calling our mini neck lift, which is doing a combination of my Elevate and Renuvion, tightening up of the tissue with some support from a stitch, and tightening up of the skin with the energy of Renuvion. And that can get you a tremendous improvement without having to be asleep or have major surgery. That's done under local anesthesia. The whole thing's done in about an hour and is very effective. But there's still a recovery and some time down. So you don't have to have big surgery, but you do have to be willing to have a little bit of recovery and get rid of that turkey neck.